Hey guys, I'm Priya and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'm here again with one more DIY for you guys. Again, this one is super simple, super easy and super quick. As I always try to make easy videos for you guys. Again, as you can see, what I'm wearing right now is an apron that I've created from the dungaree which I don't wear anymore. I'm sure you guys must be also having one dungaree at home which you guys don't wear at all, or you have worn a lot of times and you're bored of it. Instead of throwing it and it is just there on your wardrobe, why don't you just make something which is super quick? So this apron that I've created, I'm sure this will help you guys. Maybe when you're at kitchen, maybe you're creating something, when you're painting something. So let's start with the video. Let's not waste any more time. Let's start with the process.
Yeah, so that's my dungaree, which has elastic at the back. Now start with the back section. You don't have to cut the elastic or the belt that you'll have on the dungaree. What we have to do first is we have to cut the length. Understand how long do you want your apron to be, mark the length and then cut accordingly. Now cut the complete backside of the apron, as in of the dungaree. Just make sure you leave the belt because that will support in our apron. Now either you can stitch this section or you can just leave it this way. Just cut the edges and give the finishing. And if you are cutting above this section, then you don't need to do anything. Yeah, and give the finishing to the belt also from back, and it's done. It's ready. I'm excited to wear it. I have a belt which will support and help me to wear easily. I have amazing pockets. Now let's see how it is looking after wearing.
Isn't this easy and super fun and super quick? I would want you guys to try it. Send me pictures on Instagram. I would want to see your DIYs also. Let me know in the comment sections below how did you like this video, and do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Until then, bye.